Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you, all right? Check this out, all right? We hit IWM today for 40%, all right? We hit them two trades, got in a call, smacked them for 20%. It was like 21% to the upside, saw it coming down, and then we hit them again for another 21% to the downside, all right? And that equals what? 40%, all right? It was like 42, 43%, but we'll round it, all right? So 40%. And with that, what I was able to do today was I grew my account by 3.6%, all right? Now, y'all know this is how you grow your account. So here's the beautiful thing, right? Let's say your account size is at $1,000, right? 3% don't seem like a lot, right? That's 30 bucks. But when your account gets to 10K, that's $300, right? So if we got, let's say we got 20 trading days in a month, and you make 300 a day, $300 times 20 is what? 6 racks, okay? If you got 20K in your account, 3% is you times that by 2, that's 12K, and that's just 3.6%. Some days you're gonna be up 15% on your account. Some days you be up 10%, but we like to modestly say 3%. All right. So it was a Monday. I like to take it easy on Mondays. I like to not try to be too aggressive on Mondays because we still filling everything out, right? So was able to grow that account by 3.6% today. Everybody in Discord was able to do the same as well. All right. So I'm going to talk about the IWM trade that we took today. I'm going to talk about both of them, how we made money to the upside and to the downside, all right? But I just wanted to focus on you guys understanding that this is how you grow your accounts and become profitable, all right? Everybody is focused on how much money they made in that one trade, right? If you're so focused on how much money you made in that one trade, what happens is you're short-sighted, right? You're only looking for a very short-term situation. But in this situation, the tortoise wins the race, right? Be a turtle. Don't try to focus on home runs. They're going to come. You start trading enough, you're going to find setups where you make 80%, 20%. Your account grows, sometimes your account going to grow by 50, 60%, right? You catch a crazy banger, your account can grow. But is that going to happen every single day like clockwork? No. So you got to learn how to manage that, right? And so your baseline got to be a certain amount. And so if you could just grow your account and focus on it for 2.5, 3% a day, in 22 days to 24 days, you will have doubled your account. And if you focus on this every single month, in a year, you're going to be up like crazy, okay? So this is how you can, over time, turn $1,000 into 6 figures, all right? Compounding is extremely powerful, all right? So we're going to go to the charts, and then I'm going to break down this IWM trade that we took on both of them, all right? So let's get it. All right. So as you can see, we got, this is Marvel. Let's go to IWM. All right. So we got IWM on a daily. Let's go to the 15. All right. So the first trade, I was looking at the 30-minute. I was being real patient because, like I say, it's Monday. When it's Monday, you don't know what's about to happen. We was told that Donald Trump was going to be talking at 10 a.m., right? So I wanted to kind of be careful, right? So when we look at IWM, we see that, look at the daily real quick. We see that it has room to run, but it hasn't really had a pullback yet, right? In 3 days, it hasn't had a pullback. So this makes sense right here, okay? So it came up. This is today, right? The day isn't over yet, but let's look at it. So I just want to show you the daily time frame. So we got room to go to 227, 226, right? But we haven't had a pullback yet. So now we go back to the intraday. Let's look at it. All right, so if you look at it right here, the first 15-minute candle came down and it came up. So really it came up and then it came down and then it started to push back up. And that's why we got this right here. This is an indecision candle, okay? And then right here, it came down, but then it pushed back up, right? But what is this level right here? This level is this gap, right? So it came down right here and it filled a gap, right? It filled a gap, right? Because if you look at this, where's the gap, Isaiah? It's right here, okay? It's right here. So boom, right? This is an overnight gap. So on Wednesday, it closed here, gapped up to right here, right? So this is a gap that it had to fill. So when it opened up right here, came down, came up, came down, came up, closed right here, I was like, okay, so which direction are we gonna go? I was waiting on a direction. Because we were inside of the gap, I knew that we could have went any direction, right? So I was waiting for it to break out of the gap either way, right? So this candle ended up coming up here. And so what I did was I took a starter position right here, all right? And I got 0 DTEs as well. So I got 0 DTEs on IWM because it is an ETF. So I'm gonna show you guys where we at. Patterns. All right. So I took a starter position in right here. All right. Took a starter position right there. All right, that was my first entry. And then it closed right at the 50 EMA right here, right? Make it bigger for you guys. There we go. So it closed right here at the 50 EMA above it. So it opened up and it came down to the 50 EMA and it didn't go below it. So what I did was I was already up like 5% here, but it was only on a starter position. So then I added to my position right here, okay? So I did a starter position, okay, right there. And then I added to my position right here. Right here. All right. And like I say, 0 DTE. So the expiration was today. So it broke above this gap, closed above it, closed above the 50 EMA. All right. We were close to the pre-market high. So I said, okay, let's see if we could close above the pre-market highs, we about to blast off. All right. We could really come up to here. Right. That would have been a $2 move. That would have been like a $1.20 move on this stock right here. That would have printed a lot of money. But so I added right there, okay? Then what happened was we just wrote it up, right? We just was able to write it up. And then I saw it kind of stalling out a little bit. And so I ended up getting out about right here, okay? So I took my exit right here. All right. And that was about 21%. I saw 23%, but I got feel like 21.2 or something like that, right? So exit 21% profit. All right. It did go up a little bit more, but it wasn't too crazy. So I feel good about my exit right there, and we was good to go, right? So that was 21%. So then later on, I saw this happen, right? So that's the first trade. So then I saw this happen with this wick, right? So a lot of selling pressure came in, right? Now, if we go to the orb, let me turn on my orb. Let's go to the 15 minute. Okay. All right, if we go to the orb strategy, this green line is a top orb, and then this red line is a bottom orb, right? Now, the first trade you see, I took it above that orb right there. Now, this candle rejected right here, right? And then this candle came up, right? Closed right here, open right here, came down. It came inside of the orb. So that let me know it was rejecting. And then when you look at the 30-minute, boom, right? So what ended up happening was, I said, okay, let me look at this real quick. So I'm looking at the 15 and the 30, and I was like, perfect. So when I saw this candle close right here, I took another entry on puts to the downside right here. Okay. Boom. Right there. So I took an entry right here. Okay. Now this time I went, I didn't take a starter position. I just went regular. Right. So I entered in right there. And then we were able to ride this thing down. Right. And I ended up getting out about right before it bounced. So about right there. All right. I took my exit right there, take profit. And this one was 22% in profit. Just like that. All right. So basically we caught this candle to the upside. I was looking for it to pump, but it didn't close above pre-market highs. Took my exit, 21%. Entered in right here. It proved itself. Entered in right here. Rode it down to here. Took an exit, 22%. 2 trades, 43% total, right? I was done, it took me about an hour and a half total, and I was good to go. Right, as you can see, it did come down. This candle right here is when Trump, he started talking, right? So when you could see, it's this candle right here. Trump started talking, and then things started to drop over here. So the whole market right now is red. But we had a crazy week last week, so a pullback is expected anyway, right? So this is healthy for the market, so that's fine, right? But yeah, so those are the 2 trades that I took. They were both 0 DTEs. They were both IWM. One was a call and one was a put. All right. So if you want to trade with us, be sure to click the link in the description. Be there in the morning tomorrow, and we're going to rinse and repeat, and we're going to do this all over again. All right. So like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head and go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to holler at you guys on the next video. Peace.